15% of all cars in the car park are red. 3/4 of all the red cars in the car park are sedans. If there are 160 cars in the car park, how many are red sedans? So let's try this one. We've got 15% of all cars in the car park are red. So 15% is equal to 15 over 100. All right? And 3/4 of all red cars in the car park are sedans. So 3/4 is 3 out of 4, which is the same as 75 over 100. Okay. If there are 160 cars in the car park, how many are red sedans? So let's do the first step. 15% of all cars in the car park are red. So this is out of all the cars, 100%, 15 of them are red. So it's 15 over 100 times by 160. All right, and to solve this one, what we need to do is remember that when we multiply fractions, we do it like this. It's going to be 15 times 160. So I can write it out like this. How many times? So 5 times 0, well, that's just 0. So next, we can put a 0 down here. 5 times 6 is 30. We put down the 0. We carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next step, put down a 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now we add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so there's our numerator, 4,200 over 100 times 1. That's just 100. And when we want to simplify this fraction, what you can do is this. We've got 2,400 over 100. And that 0, if there's a 0 on the top and the 0 on the bottom, they cancel. And that 0 cancels with that one. We have 24 divided by 1, which is just 24. So that's how many 24 red cars in the car park. 24 red cars. All right. 3/4 of all the red cars in the car park are sedans. Okay. So next step, we've got, it's going to be 3 over 4 times by 24. And write that 3 over 4 times 24 over 1. 3 times 24, that's going to be, let's have a look at that. That'll be 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 72. Okay, 72. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we have to do this division, 72 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 72? So how many times does 4 go into 7? It goes once. And what's the remainder there? It's going to be 3. How many times does 4 go into 32? Let's have a look at that. There's 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. Sorry, 20, 24, 28, and 32. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. There's our answer, 18. How many red sedans? 18 red sedans.